Jai Hind everyone. My name is Dr. Ashish Dixit, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So today we will discuss about the Kruskal'S algorithm and Prim's algorithm. Okay. So what is the Kruskal'S algorithm and what is the Prim's algorithm? By these two algorithms, we will get the maximum profitable solution. Okay. So again we will consider the some numericals, and through the some numericals we will get the minimum cost of the solution of the graph. So again we will consider the Kruskal'S algorithm, and it's like a greedy algorithm in which edges are selected to good with grade with a minimum weight and added to the minimum spanning tree, because both topic is also considering a minimum spanning tree, MS tree, and so the MS tree will get the minimum cost. And here we will consider the all edges without the make of the circuit. So let us we will take one examples and we will discuss the some problems. So here we will discuss about the some steps topic. In a topic, arrange all the edges in the increasing order of their weight and add to the MST the edge if it does not form a circuit. Next thing, continue till all the edges are visited and on a MST is formed, and add the cost of all edges in the MST to get the minimum cost of the spanning tree. Okay. So we will consider this topic and take examples. By the help of examples, Kruskal'S algorithm. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay. So this is the graph, and by this graph we will find out the minimum spanning tree, means a minimum value. So always kept in mind, here we will consider all the edges in a increasing order. We will arrange all the edges in the increasing order. Okay. So let's solution. The solution, we will consider the edges u comma v. Next, weight, then here this is the edges and here this is the weight, that will be considered or not. Then selection, yes or no. We will arrange all edges in an increasing order, and first B comma C, B comma C also having the one value, then one value only one, then again A comma B 2, A comma C 2, B comma F 2, then E comma D, E comma D 2. Next 3 means C comma F 3, F comma D 3, then E comma G 3, and D comma G is 3. Then again right now remaining only 4 weight, then B comma E is equals to 4, and C comma D, C comma D also having the 4 value. So again we check the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are 11 edges. Okay, again we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Means I already check all edges and these weight. Then again we will consider these weight in an increasing order. So again next process is a selection process. If we will select, then we will consider yes, otherwise we will consider no. Okay, so here we will given a value, और ऑलरेडी ये चेक कर लीजिए जो हम सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ऐसा तो नहीं उस एज से हमारा सर्किट बनना है. इफ एज से सर्किट बनना है तो हम उसको कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. गॉट इट. B comma C, here the value is B comma C, also have the one weight, also have the one weight. Okay, next means yes. Next A comma B also having the A comma B also having the value 2, means this is also select. A comma C, A comma C, if we consider A comma C, then it will be create a circuit, it will be create a circuit. So we will not consider, then we will write the no. Okay, next B comma F, B comma F, value is 2, yes. Then again E comma D, then again E comma D, E comma D, E comma D also have the value 2, E comma D, yes. Again C comma F, if we consider C comma F, then it will be create a circuit, so we will not consider. Okay, so again no. Again F comma D, again F comma D, F comma D, and also have the value f comma d 3, means yes. Again e comma g, e comma g, e comma g also have the 3 value, then yes. Again d comma g, if we select the d comma g, then it will be create a circuit, so sorry, it's a not consider. Then again b comma e, again we will select the b comma e, then this is also create a circuit, so again no consider. C comma d, if we create a c comma d, then again it will be create a circuit, then again no consider. This is the graph, this is the graph, and also have the values, also have the minimum spanning tree cost. Okay, so again we will check the how much cost. A to B to B to C 1 just 1 minute. B to C1, B to F, B to C2, B to C1 and B to F2. Okay, then F to D3 and D to E2 or E to G3. Then what is the value? 2 plus 1 3 2 5 5 3 8 9 10 11 12 13. So what is the minimum spanning tree values? Again we will select the values and how much values, and this is the value is, again we consider 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, means maximum weight, means maximum weight of the tree is 13. 2 plus 1 3 2 5 5 3 8 8 to 10 10 plus 3 13. This is the solution of the problem. Okay, so here we can say that this is the solution, and the running time of this problem is big O E log E, big O E log E. Okay. Okay, again we can say that we will take another examples of the Prim's algorithm. What is the Prim's algorithm concept? Concept is another. So again we will take the another examples, or by this examples we can select the answer. Okay. Zero. This is a vertex. 0 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 and here the weight 10 28, then 16 and 12, 16 and 12, and 14, 18, 14, 18, 24, 22, 24, 22, and the last 25. Okay. So this is the concept, and we will get the value. So again we will consider, suppose that this is the 0 vertex and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So according to the Prim's algorithm, here we will consider the 0 and all weight of these vertex also put the value infinity. And again we will consider, suppose that 0 also have a 2 adjacent vertex 1 and 5, both are having the weight. Here this is a 10 and here this is a 28. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is 10. So again we will consider 10. Got it? And right now this edge will be reached on a 5th position, means 5th vertex. And again we will consider 0 to 1 also have a 28 value and 5 to 4 also have the 25 value. Which is the minimum? Minimum is 25. Again we will consider. Here 0 to 1 28, 4 to 6 24 and 4 to 3 22. Which is the minimum in these values? 28, 24, 22. What is the minimum value? 22. Got it? Next again we will consider the 3 also have a 2 adjacent value 2 and 6. Here the 12, here the 18, and 4 also have the 2 to 4 to 6 also have the 24, and these are 28. Then which is the minimum value? Minimum value is 12. Again we will consider. Here we will consider the value 2 is the adjacent of 1, also have the value 16, and 3 is also have the adjacent of 6, also have the 18 value, 4 also have the 24, and 0 to 1 also have the 28. Then what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 16. Again if we consider the 1 to 6 14, 3 to 6 18, 4 to 6 24, and 0 to 1 28. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is 14. So this is the our minimum spanning tree MST value, and here we will consider the 0 to 5 means 10, 25, 3 यानी 22, 2 यानी 12, and 1 means 16, and next is 6. Okay, this is the minimum spanning tree cost, means the MST. Always kept in mind. I think it's a very easy concept, and easy way we will get the answer. Okay, and both also have the same running time, because both are working on the behalf of edges. So these are also have the same running time. Okay, if you face any problem related to these topic, means these are the Prim's algorithm. So thank you very much. If you have faced any problem, then write the comments in a comment box. Thank you very much.